My name is Emily Bargland, and I am a school-based occupational therapist. So occupational therapists work in a variety of settings, hospitals, schools, but as a school-based occupational therapist, I'm helping students work on the occupation of being a student. So that involves their self-care tasks that they need to do at school, such as putting your coat on to go to recess. Use scissors to write, to fold your paper, self-regulate, and be able to play with your friends at recess and control your emotions when things get tricky and navigate your energy levels for different settings. So it does involve a variety of things, but all with the goal of helping students fully participate in the academic and social parts of school. Growing up, I always sought out team social types of settings. So I was always playing sports or working at a summer camp setting. So the opportunity to work in a school had a lot of similarities to that to me. You're in a team setting with all these different teachers and the staff. And I love the spirit days, I love all the fun stuff. And I really, really love for occupational therapy that I get to be in the natural environment with students, working on their goals in real time where they actually need to be able to perform them. A typical day starts at whatever school I'm servicing that day. Go through my schedule, I prep any last minute materials I'm gonna need for treatments that day, and then I begin the interventions of the day. I meet with a variety of students, different ages. I might be working with a 4th grader, and then working with a preschooler, and then collaborating with paraprofessionals and the teachers in the classroom, and hopefully modeling how they can also work on those goals in the natural environment. So typical day is bouncing around to working with these different students. The most rewarding aspect is seeing students achieve their goals and sharing magic moments with the people who spend the most time with students. So anytime through collaboration that I can help a teacher connect with their student that they may have had a challenging time connecting with, that's sharing the magic moment with them. Try out any type of job where you can get exposure working with people with disabilities and see if that is something that you want to keep doing. It's such a rewarding job. I get all the satisfaction all the time. It's certainly a challenging job, but thankfully it's balanced with the rewarding aspects.